My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called TargetWare. TargetWare is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them considerably. Well, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this TargetWare ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data. This TargetWare ransomware encrypts files and damages these files considerably. So this is what happens. It is not possible to use the files. The files are encrypted, and the ransom note is also added to the desktop, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. In fact, because of this ransomware, your computer in general may be freezing tremendously. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus software, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. To get there, you might need to use your Internet Explorer browser. So go to the official website combocleaner.com, download in Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the software, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available, so click on this Start Scan button. The program will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. I also want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware to protect your data from further ransomware attacks, but it does not decrypt the files which got encrypted by this ransomware. But Combo Cleaner helps to effectively detect this ransomware and to remove it from the computer, and also with its anti-ransomware feature you will be able to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.